back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. It's going to be perfect for those of you who have great customer service skills, but you don't want to be talking on the phone. You can deliver customer service through email and social media messages and comments. But real quickly, before we dive on in, just know that this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. Now, I do want to preface by saying I post daily videos with fresh job leads daily. If you're watching a video that's 5 or 6 days old, the job posting may be down. It doesn't necessarily mean that it was a scam. It means that they are accepting applications from the last several days, and they have decided to hire someone from them applications, so that job is no longer available. So make sure you're getting those applications in for anything you're interested in as quickly as possible. Make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, so YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new job lead so you don't miss out. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But with that being said, well-known fitness app MyFitnessPal. Now, if you don't know what MyFitnessPal is, it's an app you can download on your smartphone. You can track your food, the calories that you're eating, the water that you're intaking, all of that, so you can just have an overall fitness app. They do have 46 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer happiness specialist. That's what they call their customer service reps. This is remote for the United States only. But MyFitnessPal is basically looking to help everybody achieve their healthy well-being and the best body for them. They provide tools and resources for you to reach your fitness goals. But they're looking for somebody to help address tech support and other customer concerns through email, through social media posts, and through the app store reviews, because this is an app that you download on a smartphone. So completely non-phone written, no taking phone calls needed. You'll collect and communicate user requests to help shape the future of MyFitnessPal. You're going to escalate any trending issues to the engineering and product teams so they can get those technical issues resolved. You'll provide feedback to your peers and supervisors to promote a positive work culture. And of course, they have core values that they want you to live by, which is be kind and care, live good health, be data inspired, champion change, and leave it better than you found it, and make it happen. So as long as you are down with that, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just 3 years or more of customer service experience. They do want somebody who can type at least 60 words per minute, great writing skills, and great computer knowledge, because you're going to be working from home doing all this on a computer. They do need somebody who is flexible in their scheduling. You may need to work some weekend and evening hours. And of course, they want somebody who has a positive attitude. Now, unfortunately, their exact pay was not listed in the job description. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview because I don't work for these companies. I simply share what I find online. However, I do try to do some research and see if I can get an estimate for you so you know if it's worth your while to apply. And it looks like people who have worked as a customer happiness agent at MyFitnessPal have reported their salary to Glassdoor, and it looks like base pay is anywhere from $45,000 a year up to $66,000 a year, with additional pay and bonuses making the pay anywhere from $51,000 a year all the way up to $78,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you like non-phone job leads like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family so we can all live our best life working from home. And if you have anything specific that you're looking for, you can always leave that in the comments down below. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.